It was so good, I almost ate it all before remembering to take a picture of it. So what you need is 10 dates, about the size of this one, soaked for 1 or 2 hours, should be a bit longer. And here we have about a cup of gluten-free oats and about 3 or 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and about 2 tablespoons of warm water. You probably won't need the water if you soak your dates long enough or you have a strong blender. And then we're just going to blend this up. So now what we're going to do is put it into a container. Squish it down real good. And pop that baby in the freezer. Don't really put babies in freezers though, because that's just not cool. It was frozen for about 5 hours. Can definitely go longer, but I'm pretty happy with this. So then I'm going to add my berries. You can add whatever toppings you like. Some nut cream would do really well. I'm going to add some hand crushed walnuts. And there it is. Ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like if you liked and subscribe if you scribe.